Welcome back to English class. Dear students, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Name of the lesson is The Clouds, which is our fifth and last lesson. Let's see. Yes, so what is the name of our today's lesson? See, the clouds. You know that usually you can what you can say for, yes, you can say for that skies. Yes, clouds. Why they told? They told here clouds because here these two clouds are fighting with something. Yes, why they are fighting? We have to see this. So what is the warm up activity? Yes, we wear different kinds of clothes in different kinds of weather. Write the correct words from the box under the pictures. Now, usually you know then which season do you like? See how many seasons are there? Yes, rainy season, winter season, summer seasons. Yes, so in each season, what you are doing? You are wearing different type of clothes. You are using different types of clothes. Yes, when it is winter, you used to wear what? Scarf, then sweater, then jacket, whatever it is. And when rainy season will be there, what you can do? You used to wear what? You used to wear raincoat. Even you use umbrella when you are going outside. Okay. Even in summer season, usually what you use? Yes, what you can do? Yes, you use cotton clothes. Yes, which are very light clothes. Yes, so these different kinds of clothes you are using in different kinds of weather. What kind of weather do you like? Tell your teacher. So from this all weather or this season, which is your most important or which is your likable season, you have to tell me. Maybe you should like, yes, rainy season too much. Okay, see here. Now this is the story of the clouds. What is this story? We have to see. Once a big cloud in the sky met another cloud. The first cloud shouted, "Go away." "No, I won't," said the second cloud. So you can see in this picture, is the two clouds. Yes, the two clouds are there and they are talking something. They are arguing something. What they are arguing? See, we have to see. So here, this first big cloud. So you can see a right side, big cloud or big sky and this small sky both made to each other. And what they are thinking? The first cloud shouted. What is shouted? Just go away. Then the second cloud, he is not ready to go from that. So what he is saying? No, I won't, he say. Next what happened? See, the first cloud pushed the second cloud. And the first cloud, you are also doing same now? Yes. If your friend is not listening to you, sometimes you used to push him. So this first cloud, because the second cloud is not listening of that first cloud, so what he did, he pushed the second cloud. Then what happened? See, now second cloud became angry. Yes, usually you also became angry when you somebody pushed you. So the second cloud, he became too much angry and became a rain cloud. Yes, then what happened? When he became angry and he became a rain cloud like a rain. Now you can see, when usually you can see in rainy season when clouds are became black dark. Yes, so it became rain cloud. Then what happened? See, the first one also, what happened? See, grew dark and became another rain cloud. Then this first also, it became also dark. Why? Because he is also angry and the first cloud also angry. The both were angry. Now what happened? See, whether they will stop their fighting, whether they stop their quarrel, yes or no, we have to see. Then you can see this picture. See, you can see in this picture, these two clouds are too much angry. What they are doing? See, they are watching each other. Yes, very angrily. Now they are ready to fight. Yes, and here downside, these small children, they are playing. They are enjoying of the rain. Then what happened? See, they both became angry. The two clouds crashed into each other with a loud thud. What happened? See, then when they became angry, and now they crashed to each other. See, crash means they came and just what? They crashed to each other, and with sound which came, see, thud. You know that when thunder will become, you can listen the sound of these clouds. Yes, in the rainy season. So they sound, or they shouted, or they crashed into each other, and with a loud sound, thud. The children down below looked up and said, "We see lightning, we hear thunder, it's going to rain." And children, they were playing on the ground, they are playing outside the house. What happened? They looked up to that sky, or they looked up to these both clouds, and now they see the lightning, even they heard the thunder. Yes, and now they thought that now it's going to rain. Soon the two angry clouds started to cry. "It's raining." The little children laughed, and soon what happened? They became too much angry, and because of the angriness, the clouds started to cry. Means what happened? It's start raining. The little children laughed, and the little children, they enjoyed, they laughed, they angry, they are started to cry, but because of them, what? Children became very happy. The clouds could not stop fighting and crying. They cried so much that they turned into small white clouds, and soon the strong wind blew the fighters far away. Then they started to crying. They should not ready to stop their fighting. And what happened? They started to crying, and because of the crying too much or so much, what happened? These big clouds became now turned into the small, or they became small. Yes, and they became white. And soon what happened? This strong wind, yes, wind started to blow, and these fighters far away. And what happened? Because of the wind, yes, this both cloud went far away. Because why? Because they became light now. Yes, before the cloud they became dark, and they were heavy. Now because of the crying, because of the raining, yes, now they became what? Light. And because of that, when wind blow, they both went far away. So this is all about small story, that is the cloud. Yes, so here new words are there: crashed into and fighters. So crashed into, crashed, crashed into, into, and one more word is there, fighters, figsters. Yes, okay, so fighters. So these are two words here. And see, related that, we have to solve a small exercise. Okay, 5 sentences are there. We have to fill in the blanks using this, or what, with the help of this small story. Now you know that usually, do you now understood what is the story of the rain, how rain came, or rainy season? You are thinking that clouds be from the clouds we can get water, or we can get the rain. So why? So the story is behind them. Okay, this is the story of behind them. Now we are going to solve this exercise. So here are the questions. See, fill in the blanks using the word given in the box. Now what we have to do? We have to use this word, which is the proper word is there. We have to use it, and we have to complete this sentence. So the first cloud dash the second cloud. What happened? See, what happened? Pushed. Yes, so answer is pushed. So you have to write there pushed. Yes, I can write here pushed. Now, the two clouds, what happened second? Dash each other. What happened? See, they crashed into. So, what is the second answer? Crash. So, I'll write here. This is the second. Crashed into. You have to write here. Here you write. This is the first answer. This is the second. Third one, see. The children below saw lightning and heard what they heard? Yes, thunder. So answer is thunder. So this is the third answer. Fourth one, see, the children dashed when it started raining. What? they enjoyed, so they were happy, they became happy, so they started to laugh. So here this is the fourth answer. Now last one, see. Soon the two angry clouds began to what? Finally they started to cry. So this is the last answer, cry. You have to write here cry. Here what you have to write? Laughed. Laughed. Then third answer is thunder. You have to write here. Yes, you can write now. Yes, dear students, you can write yourself. Yeah. So what you have to do? Watch this video and solve this exercise. Write down in your notebook. Okay. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.